नं प्रपद्ये मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं धीमतां वरिष्ठम् वातात्मजं वानरयूथ मुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। बोलो राम 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 सीता राम राम राम। बोलो
राम 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 सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम।
हरे राम 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 सीता राम राम राम।
हरे राम 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 सीता राम राम राम।
मंगल भवन मंगलहारी द्रव दशरथ अजर बिहारी। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। रघुकुल रीति सदा चली आई प्राण जाई बरु बचन न जाई। बिनु सतसंग भी देख न होई राम कृपा भी सुलभ न सोई। श्री राम जय जय राम। सब गाइए।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
भाय कुबाय नख आलस हूँ राम जपत मंगलती सिरस हूँ। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। बोलो राम 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 सीता राम राम। हरि बोल।
बोलो राम 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 सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम।
हरे राम 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 सीता राम राम राम।
हरे राम 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 सीता राम राम राम।
श्यावर रामचंद्र की
जय।
Kabir Sahib had just taken his bath in Ganga and he was returning. And in the opposite direction, some people were carrying a corpse for cremation. And they were chanting Ram Nam Satya Hai, Ram Nam Satya. You know that they chant there. Ram Nam Satya Hai. So Kabir Sahib asked, hey, why are you all chanting Ram Nam? So one of them said, क्योंकि हमारे रिश्तेदार जो है बेचारा मर गया. Relative who is here, poor fellow, he died. So we are chanting Ram Nam. So Kabir Sahib asked, why is he not chanting? So then they said, because he's dead. Kabir Sahib understood, oh, you mean all those who are not chanting there? Yeah. They're not chanting the name of Bhagwan Ram. So don't miss that opportunity. No? Hare Rama, 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 Sita, Rama, Rama, Rama. 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 Hare Rama, 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 Sita, Rama, Rama, Rama.
Hare Rama, 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 Sita, Rama, Rama, Rama.
Rama, 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 Sita, Rama,
Rama, Rama,
Sita, Rama, 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 Sita, Rama. Syavar Ramachandra ki.
Jai.
I'm still debating in my mind what portion of the Ramayana to take. Here's a verse from Ayodhya Kand. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama. Shri Ram राम की न चाहई सोई होई, करे अन्यथा अस नहीं होई। श्री राम जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। राम की न चाहि सोई होई। Whatever Rama determines, whatever Rama decides, only that will and nothing else. And there are many, many verses like that in Ramcharitmanas. See? Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. सब गाइए। श्री राम
जय जय राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय जय राम
कोई ही सोई जो राम रचि राखा तो करि तर्क बढ़ावे साखा होई सोई जो राम रचि राखा को करि तर्क बढ़ावे साखा श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय राम
जय रघुराम
जय रघुराम
जय सीताराम
जय सीताराम
श्यावर रामचंद्र की जय
जय।
होई ही सोई जो राम रचि राखा को करि तर्क बढ़ावे साखा. Whatever Rama determines, that will happen only. So, like this in the Ramcharitmanas, there are so many countless verses that everything is determined by Bhagavan Sri Ram. This thing will, today we'll try to answer very important questions because people go on asking all the time, do we have freedom of choice? Or is everything determined by Bhagavan Ram? So now there are so many verses like that say very clearly that everything is determined by Bhagavan Ram. And you know, there are so many verses in Bhagavad Gita also which says this very same thing. Yatahankaramashritya nayotchaiti manyase. Bhagavan is telling to Arjuna that you have this ahankar and you're saying, I will not fight. But prakritim niyokshase. Prakriti will make you fight. So then Arjuna also doesn't have any power. Prakriti will make him fight. So now, according to these type of verses in Gita and in Ramayana and all, none of us have freedom of choice to do anything. So then why is Bhagavan Shri Krishna telling to Arjuna, you fight, and if you win this battle, you'll get this kingdom. And if you lose this battle, you'll get Swarga. So he's telling Arjuna, now, and then also he tells, Yatha ichhasi tatha kuru. So now, in Bhagavad Gita, there are verses that support, whole thing is prarabdha and no purushartha. And in the same Bhagavad Gita, there are verses that support purushartha and no prarabdha. And in Ramcharitmanas now also, now Tulsidas ji has written these verses I just, Ko karitark badhavai sakha, hoi hi soi jo Ram rachi rakha. Only that will happen which is determined by Bhagavan Ram. But now see, in the same Ramcharitmanas also, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram
Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram
Das ji writes, Karma Pradhan Biswa Kari Rakha. That Bhagwan has made karma the most preponderant law in this universe. Karma Pradhan. And what is the law? Jo jas karai so tas phalu chakha. As we sow, so we reap. And in the other verse he says, Kahu na ko sukh dukh kar data. Nobody is the source of my joy or my sorrow. Nijakrit karma bhoga sabhrata. We are the authors of our own joy and our own sorrow. So now this all sounds like Purushartha to me. So the same scripture has all those type of verses supporting Prarabdha, and the same scripture has all those type of verses supporting Purushartha. And then we ask, oh, so now the same scripture is contradicting itself or what? So that is not like that, and we have to try to understand Sanatana Dharma. We have to try to decolonize the Hindu mind. Those type of questions come up because we have forgotten Sanatana Dharma and we have picked up stray thoughts from elsewhere, from other religions. So, first of all, in Sanatana, we have to understand it through a Hindu eye, Sanatana Dharma. We do not have watertight compartments in Sanatana Dharma. Like you see, in the other religions of the world, right? They describe one heaven and one hell, and they are watertight compartments. You know that, right? And they have statements in English also, the twain shall not meet. Yes, like that. Well, Sanatana Dharma is not like that. Because we talk about, for example, you go to Swarga, and there you enjoy. So it seems to resemble that same sort of Swarga, Naraka and all, but it doesn't. It's not the same. Because I know, and you would have read, many a times when Indra and Vayu and Agni and all of the devatas and all, they were beaten out like anything and thrown out from there. Is it correct or not? So then where is all sukh? So we do not have watertight compartments like, and in Narak also, there's a king there. And even though the place is hot, somebody is fanning him and all that fellow, you know. So in Western thinking, and because all of our minds have been colonized for 200-300 years, we think through different lenses and all that kind of thing. And we feel that all things are watertight like that. So it has to be Prarabdha or it has to be Purushartha. It cannot be both. But Einstein refuted this thing a long time ago when Einstein in the West presented to everybody something which has been there in Sanatana Dharma for a very long time. All things are actually relative. All things are relative. And so, we have at the same time Prarabdha and at the same time Purushartha. And the two coexist in one and the same person. Like this, you try to think now. Like for example, I am tall or short. You heard about the professor who came and drew a line on the board and he told the students, I want you to make this line shorter without erasing any part of the line, right? So the student just drew a longer line. So this one became shorter. And you can make this thing longer also by drawing a shorter line. So now that middle line is longer or short? Long or short? It is long and short at the same time. I'm trying to tell you Sanatana Dharma now really at its core. See, the best example comes in the 11th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, where Arjuna sees in Virat Rup Darshan, you remember this, right? Arjuna sees at Virat Rup Darshan And in that Virat Rup Darshan, Arjuna sees the Kauravas dead. Remember? Churnitairuttamangai and all them. Head crushed between Bhagwan's teeth and all that. And they're all dead. So Arjuna became happy. Ha ha ha. Now, this is exactly what I did not want to kill these Kauravas in any case, you know. Now you have done the job for me. It's finished. In any case, I did not want to kill them. So Bhagwan, thank you. You're like that. Because all this is happening before the war starts, isn't it? Then Bhagwan said, oh, so you saw them dead? Ah, yes. They're all dead, I'm seeing. With whose eyes did you see them dead? What do you mean? With my eyes. Bhagwan said, no, you forgot or what? Remember, I gave you divine eyes. Huh? Now you give back. Give back these divine eyes. So Arjuna gave back divine eyes. Then he said, now look. Kauravas are there or not? Yes, Prabhu, they're all standing there. Now take back these eyes. Now look. They're dead? Yes, they're dead. Now give it back. Look again. They're all alive. So the Kauravas are alive and dead at the same time. Please see this thing. Huh? At the same time. It depends on whose eyes you're looking through. And this thing is really Sanatan Dharma at its core. And so if you're looking through your eyes, and let me tell you one more thing, you can only look through your eyes. If you're looking through your eyes, you have 100% Purushartha. And if you're looking through Bhagwan's eyes, you have 100% no Purushartha. And I told before, you can only look through your. So don't go and read Bhagwan Shri Ramana Maharshi and read all these great saints and Mahathas. They're seeing through Bhagwan's eyes. And they're saying you don't have any Purushartha. You don't have any freedom. And you go preaching also. I don't have. Bhagwan is doing, you know. No. It is not true. And I tell you, let me tell you, see, you just see some person, yeah? He draws a nice picture there. It's a very good. And then you come and say, wow, that thing is so beautiful. My God, you're so talented. He says, no, Swamiji, all Bhagwan has done it, you know. Bhagwan has done it. Like that. That same person, you come back, another person comes and says, oh, look, you made a big mistake. He said, what mistake? Immediately, just now he relinquished Purushartha to Bhagwan and all, you know. But the moment you tell some mistake, and this is how we have this duvidha in our mind. We go on saying, one I know Bhagwan did it, but I'm telling you, you can only stand in your own shoes. And from our standpoint, really, we have all Purushartha. Otherwise, scriptures, shastras, sadhana, all of it made no sense. So, you use that Purushartha 100%. And therefore, the scriptures now are telling, what? Sometimes from Bhagwan's eyes, and sometimes from our eyes. Because Tulsidas ji could have seen from Bhagwan's eyes. And Bhagwan himself is speaking in Gita. So he could see from two sides. So they have two types of verses. And no contradiction. Huh? Everything in the universe contains this duality inherent in it. Everything in the universe is big and small at the same. Everything in the universe is good and evil at the same time. The duality is ubiquitous, unmistakable in every single thing in this universe. And so, don't think that what you call as contradictory things cannot exist in one thing at one and the same time. And the two things exist and it just depends on where you're looking from. I hope this question is settled once and for all, and don't ask me again. Otherwise, you know, every camp we have the same question. Same question again and again. Okay. All right. Now I only have a few minutes left. I will sing one bhajan. I don't know if you will be able to follow. Oh, not finding it. See. Jai 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 Raghava Janaki Vallabha. Jai 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 Raghava. रामचंद्र की
जय।
Two verses from this bhajan. Rama Rama रटते रटते
राम राम रटते रटते
राम राम रटते रटते
राम राम रटते रटते
बीती रे उमरिया राम राम रटते And there'll be some other program now, na? Hanuman Chalisa. Okay, now everybody can sing together, huh? Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhari Barna Raghubar Bimal Jasu Jodayak Phalachari Buddhihin Tanu Janike सुमिरा पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर राम दूत अतुलित बल धाम अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नाम महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराज कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजय शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे राम काज सवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सम भाई सहस बदन तुम जस गावै अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावै सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहीसा जम कुबेर दिगपाल कहाते कवि कोविद कहि सकै कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मेरी मुख माहि जल्दी लांघि गए अचरज नाहि दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम रे देते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होतन आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी शरण तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज समारो आपै तीनों लोक हांकते कांपै भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवै महावीर जब नाम सुनावै नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावै मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावै सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता असबर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुमरे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुमरे भजन राम को पावै जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावै मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुर भूप। श्यावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। बोलिए पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय। ओके
Thank you, Swamiji. Since Swamiji has taken us to such a devotional heights, the only constraint, Swamiji, we had to restrict the duration of Swamiji's program because Chicks and J Chicks have a Q&A session with Pujya Swami Swarupananji. So since all the rest of us are available and would like to listen, if Swamiji is okay, can I request J Chicks and Chicks to please go to Crystal because your session has just started. So please go to Crystal very quietly and we will have our party here. Swamiji, as long as you want, we are here.
Okay. Know it so well, yeah. I don't know it so well.
I mean, we're happy to stay to support. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, we'll go closer. We'll go closer to the front. What is she? She just said to go closer to the mic. Oh, okay. So, that was her. Did you know it? I did, but she was just like, just sing caution. This is so fun. This is so fun. You're both doing great. You're both doing great, though. You're carrying a lot of weight.
So, Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama. Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Ram.
उठरी दंडवत कीना, प्रभु ही सकुच एहि नहीं कछु दीना। श्री राम जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम। श्री राम जय 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 राम, श्री राम जय जान निहारी, मुनि मुदरी मन मुदित उतारी। श्री राम जय राम, बोलो राम 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 सीता राम राम राम, बोलो राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम। हरे राम 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 सीता राम राम राम। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। उतरी ठार भये सुर शरीर रेता, केवट took भगवान श्री राम across Ganga and put him on the other side there. Tulsidas ji writes, पद पखारी जलुपान करी, आप सहित परिवार पितर पारु करी, प्रभुई पुनि मुदित गयऊ ले पार. After washing his feet and all of that, you all know the story very well. Everybody knows that story very well. And he took him on the other side. Sita ji, Tulsidas ji's own words, huh? Siya Ram Guha Lakhana Sameta. Sita, Ram, Guha and Lakshmana, like that. Tulsidas ji's own. And when we read Tulsidas ji's Ramayana like that, we have to pay attention to all the words in detail, because Tulsidas ji doesn't place any one word in any position just by chance. He makes sure that he places every word in the exact position. And an old man was sitting by the bus stop with a little pocket Ramayana like this, and he was chanting, Mangala Bhavana, Mangala Hari, Dravosa Dasharatha Ajita Vihari and all. And there was a young man sitting next to him. And the young man was agitated. And next to the young man was his pregnant wife. And the young man was very agitated by all this Ramayana chanting, And he started shouting at the old man, "You old people, you have nothing else to do but to chant this old scripture that means nothing. Why don't you find something better to do?" So anyway, the old man continued chanting his Ramayana. And then the bus came, and there was a scramble, and everybody ran into the bus and all of that, like that. And when they got into the bus now, it so happened that the young man is again sitting next to the old man. And again the old man took out his Ramayana and started chanting like that. And this fellow was very agitated. But after 1 minute, he realized, he looked around, "Oh my God, where's my wife?" He realized he left his wife at the bus stop. And that old man said, "See, if you had read Ramayana, Siya Ram Guha Lakhana Sameta." If you had read Ramayana, you would have known that first they put Sita Maya inside the boat, and then only. So now, how good it works, huh? Okay, what's Uttari? Done the Vatakinha, and then he brought them on this side, and then he did pranam to Bhagwan Sri Ram. On the other side of Prabhu is Sakuchi hi nahi kachutina, and the heart of Bhagwan Sri Ram, look here in this world. Immediately Bhagwan started feeling bad. Oh, I did not give him anything. And in this world, see how we live. See how Bhagwan is feeling, and see how we live. When the moment we go by Ganga and we see a boatman there, we start bargaining. Hey, kitna lenge? Kitna lenge, isn't it? And when we go to the bank or we go to some big corporation, we don't bargain. We only bargain with the poor fellow who is making a living hand to mouth and all that kind of thing, isn't it? So if Bhagwan himself feels bad that he has not given Kevat something for his labor, then we should take a very serious note from that. Anyway, Piya hiya ki siya janani hari. Immediately Sita Maya understood what was going on in the mind of Bhagwan Sri Ram. And she took out that ring and she gave it to him. You please give this to him. Mani mudari mana mudita utari. She took out that ring and gave. And Bhagwan took that ring and gave to Kevat. Kevat, you take this for your fare. And now Kevat. See that? Kaheu kripal le utrai Kevat charan gahe akulai Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram Nath aaju main kaah na pawa mite dosh dukh darid dawa बहुत काल में कीनी मजूरी आज दीन बीती बनी भली बुरी श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम अब कछुनाथ न चाहिए मोरे दीन दयाल अनुग्रह तोरे राम 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 सीता राम राम राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम हरे राम 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 सीता राम राम हरे राम 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 सीता राम श्यावर रामचंद्र की जय केवट चरण गहे अकुलाई Kevat fell on the feet of Bhagwan Sri Ram when Bhagwan handed, saying, Nath, aaj main kaah na pawa. I got chance to wash your feet. Getting a chance to, Bhagwan's feet is washed only 3 times in Ramcharitmanas. One is Kevat. Bhagwan's feet was washed in Janakpur when he went there. Janakji Maharaj washed his feet. And today I got opportunity to wash your feet. And what I have not gotten, what else anybody wants in this world? There is no greater gain that I could have gotten than the opportunity to wash your feet. This ring pales into insignificance compared to what I have gotten. And Prabhu, one more thing, See, you are giving me something for bringing you here. But when Janakji Maharaj washed your feet in Janakpur, he gave to you Sita Maya. And now I wash your feet and I have nothing to give. I am supposed to be the one to give you something, and there is nothing in my possession that I can give you. And you want to give me. Prabhu, I am not taking anything from you. And one more thing. It is good if you think that you owe me. If you owe me, our relationship will last forever. And if I take this ring from you now, our relationship is over. Prabhu, you please keep this ring. And like that, Bhagwan tried so many times to give him, but he will not take. And Bhagwan left. And Kevat watched as he disappeared and took his boat and went back to the other side of Ganga. And when he anchored and came ashore, he heard crying on the other side. And thought, where is this crying coming from? And he listened carefully. And he realized that the crying was coming from the spot where Bhagwan Ram stood when he was washing his feet. The crying was coming from that spot. And he went and listened carefully. And closer he get to that spot, he realized it was coming from that same spot. The dust from the feet of Bhagwan Ram that was washed away fell there, and they were crying. Kevat, what have you done to us? We were on the feet of Bhagwan Ram. And now look, you have washed us off, and we are sitting here, and Bhagwan Ram has gone. Kevat, it is said, took up that dust like this, and he got a peepal leaf, and he put it in that leaf and folded it and kept it with himself for 14 years. And on the day for the coronation of Bhagwan Sri Ram, Bhagwan was sitting there and everybody was doing tilak. And while they were doing tilak, Bhagwan was stretching his head like this, looking. And people kept asking, who are you looking for? Oh no, I'm looking to see if Kevat has come to his coronation. And last of all the people, Kevat reached there. And he did prostrations to Bhagwan Ram. And in his hand, he had this peepal leaf. So Prabhu asked, like Sudama, when Prabhu asked, what do you have in your hand? Bhagwan asked Kevat, what do you have in your hand, Kevat? Prabhu, I have something that I brought from Ganga Tir, Ganga Par. And he opened and he showed to Bhagwan Ram. These dust particles, they were fallen there and they were crying. And I brought them. Prabhu, would you do me a favor? I want to make tilak, and Kevat put some water in that dust and also did tilak for Bhagwan Ram with those dust particles. See, the power of Sangha, even the other dust particles that were there on the ground when Kevat scooped like this, they had never been on the feet of Bhagwan Ram, but they reached his forehead also. The power of Satsanga. And when Bhagwan Ram finished, Kevat was the last one to do. Bhagwan Ram got up and his coronation was over, and he thought before he start his reign as king, he should go and bow down to the Guru. Bhagwan Ram went and bowed down to Vasishtha Maharaj, and those dust even touched the feet of Vasishtha Maharaj also. The dust that had never seen Bhagwan Ram or seen anybody, just by association with the other dust, they reached the feet, the forehead of Bhagwan Ram and the feet of the Guru also in this prasanga. And like that, the Ramayana tradition tells about the power of satsang. And so tonight we had great opportunity to have satsang here, listening to this Ramcharitamanas. Every day we go on reflecting little bit more on Ramcharitmanas and deepen that devotion for the Lord. All right. Now I will. Somebody had a request. Let me see if I can find to sing one verse, one line at least, or some portion. If anybody has a copy of Rudrashtakam. This is the thing about technology, you know. When you want it, I got it. Namami Shamishan Nirvana Rupam Vibhum Vyapakam Brahma Veda Swarupam Namami Shamishan Nirvana Rupam Vibhum Vyapakam Brahma Veda Swarupam Nijam Nirgunam Nirvikalpam Niriham Chidakashamakashavasam Bhajeham Nirakaramomkaramulam Turiyam Kirajnanagotitamisham Girisham Karalam Mahakal Kalam Kripalam Gunagar Samsar Param Natoham Tusharadrisankash Gauram Yaviram Manobhuti Koti Prabhasri Shariram Spuran Maulikalolini Charuganga Lasadbhal Balendu Kanthe Bujanga Chalat Kundalam Sunetram Vishalam Prasannananam Neelakantham Dayalam Megadisha Sharmambaram Mundamalam Priyam Shankaram शङ्करं सर्वनाथं भजामि प्रियं शङ्करं सर्वनाथं भजामि। महापति महादेव की जय। हर हर नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव। जय श्री राम। ओके, हरि